Hi friends, welcome to Moody Blooms. Today I'm going to do a plant unboxing from Modern Garden. Their website's going to be down below and you can get any of their plants on their website for 10% off with the code Moody Blooms, or you can use the link down below. I'm so excited. Their selection online is fabulous. They have beautiful, healthy plants that are ready to go. They come already potted and I'm so excited to unbox with you today. Yay, look at that packaging. They come perfectly packaged. Super healthy. All right, let's get started on taking these out. Wow, look how well these come packaged. They're packaged so well, I don't even know how to get them out. Okay, so we just need to remove the styrofoam. Okay. Look how cute. Cute. Look how beautifully packaged that came. Not a scratch on it. Look at those leaves.
This first plant is a Croton Petra.
So they come ready to go already in these beautiful pots.
This next beauty is a Parlor Palm. This is a robust tropical palm with graceful, feathery fronds that originate from Madagascar.
Okay. Wow, this is amazing. I cannot believe how well these stayed put.
They have really perfected the craft of keeping these plants at the right temperature, protecting their roots, and keeping them healthy while they travel from their greenhouse to homes.
Beautiful. Look at those leaves.
Modern garden plants are easy to care for, they're air purifying, pet friendly, grown locally, and they're also pre-potted.
Wow, look at these matching pots.
And the best part of all is that they are delivered right to your door.
Look how cute those are. I'm so excited.
Modern Garden sends care instructions along with the plant, and they also help with any future plant care concerns. They have a real-time plant doctor support via email or chat on their website. I love that they are always on standby.
I cannot believe how healthy they look after shipping. They literally thought of everything.
Croton Petra is a tropical houseplant with striking foliage. They have bright green leaves with white, bronze, purple, or pink coloring based on the age and maturity of the plant. These beauties are native to India and Malaysia, and this houseplant is a resilient, hard-to-kill masterpiece that can grow actually 4 to 6 feet in height. They also enhance the look and texture of any space. Caring for your Croton Petra is relatively easy, but they do require regular maintenance in order to thrive. They thrive in medium to bright indirect light, but can tolerate low indirect light. Water every week, allowing the soil to dry out halfway down between waterings, and be sure to increase the frequency with increased light. Be sure not to overwater, as it will cause the leaves to yellow and possibly rot. Water slowly, allowing the moisture to soak into the soil. This next beauty is a Parlor Palm. This is a robust tropical palm that originate from Madagascar. This distinct plant brings fun to any room in your home. It thrives in medium to bright indirect light, but can also tolerate low indirect light. Water weekly, allowing the soil to dry out halfway down between waterings. Increase the frequency with increased light. This guy does best in a higher humidity, so keep that in mind. Besides being beautiful, the Parlor Palm requires minimal care, and it will help purify the air in your room. It's one of the most sought after indoor palms today. It thrives in homes and workplaces where other species may struggle. Among all the palm trees, Parlor Palms are the greatest place to start for beginners. It has been popular since Victorian times, and it was a plant commonly found growing in home parlors, and that's how it got its common name. The parlor was often considered the best room in the house, somewhere important guests would be entertained. The perfect spot for your Parlor Palm should be bright and ideally with a little sun in the early morning or late afternoon. Underwatering a Parlor Palm is better than overwatering. They're forgiving plants, and they'll let you off the hook if you forget to water them on occasion. These plants perfectly complement each other. I love the matching pots. They fit perfectly together. My favorite thing about Modern Gardens is that they have partnered with One Tree Planted to help give back to their amazing cause. One Tree Planted is an organization based in the USA, in Vermont, yet they have an international mission. Since their start in 2014, One Tree Planted has more than doubled the number of trees planted year over year. By 2019, they hit 4 million trees planted. Every time you buy a plant from Modern Garden, you are directly supporting an amazing organization as they donate to One Tree Planted. That means every time you buy a plant, a tree is planted in the world. Trees are so important. They help clean the air we breathe, filter the water we drink, and provide habitat to over 80% of the world's terrestrial biodiversity. They also provide jobs to over 1.6 billion people. They absorb harmful carbon from the atmosphere and are the key ingredients in 25% of all medicines. One Tree Planted work can be seen across the globe with projects in the Amazon, the United States, Canada, Africa, Asia, and Australia, as they work with awesome reforestation partners who help them get trees in the ground to restore forests after fires and floods. They also create jobs, build communities, and they help protect habitat for biodiversity. We hope you enjoyed learning about the Parlor Palm and the Croton Petra. To learn more about Modern Garden, visit their website at moderngarden.co. You can also learn more about One Tree Planted at onetreeplanted.org. We hope to see you next time on Moody Blooms.